Morning guys. Oh, Saturday morning. Set all this out last night. I got all this from TEMU, whatever you call it. Let's have a run through. I think I got all this for just over 30 quid. Dropshot set up. So I got the rod. It's a good little rod there. That was £14.37. But I actually got it because he said you get a deal, buy it now. You get whatever. So I got it for £6.27. Little 6 foot that's the one I showed you yesterday's video. Get a nice little pouch of it as well. I got the reel. That's a good little reel that. Now I'm left-handed. That's the front. So it's going to be like that. So we're going to have to fish the American way and have it that way. I'm going to have to order it again. That was £7.26 that, but it's a good little reel that I've tied that so it doesn't go in. The line, that was the braid, that was £2.22 that. I got the £35, I didn't look at they go off sizes, 0.14 mil. But that should do sound, that braid. It's good enough, yeah, nice little reel that, I like it. So yeah, the braid was £2.22. You see these, I like to put these on my leads and the bottom of my floats. A little quick. You'll get a £10 line through there easy. Ribbon. But yeah, they was how much were they? I've got them written down here, I've got the price list. Right, £2 there was. Yeah, the drop shots themselves, the drop shots, I don't like them on. And I don't like that lead, it looks bloody toxic, that lead. So I may just redo them, redo the hooks. Now they were £3.8 each. They got these little jelly layers here. I've seen these work on the, I've seen a guy on the ribble, just drop something like that. How much were they? I got 60 of them. Right. 60 of them. No, I've got it mixed up. I got 60 of them. I got 20 of them for, where was it? £1.11. 20 of them. I think they're 5 mils, these boxes, and yeah, or they're 10 mil. Yeah, about 10 mil in squares, aren't they? Yeah, got bow this in. Bow this in. Go fishing. These ones, what are them? Got 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. They're a bit bigger. Like I said, I've seen some guy, he had the ultralight rods. Proper ones, I mean, like a Boo Garcia stuff. And I seen the amount of perch he was getting attacked. How many was there? 8 of them was there. 8 of them. £2.9. £2.9. These ones are a bit bigger again. These are like a frog tail to them. They're like, you feel like they're greasy, but they're not. Jellies, they was trying to get in there. 7 of them. Don't bring me left. 7 of them, £2.27. Like these ones, these are bigger again. They're like a crayfish, aren't they? I'll show the sizes of them. They was £2.21. So basically for all that setup to go drop shotting, everything you need to go drop shotting, obviously you're going to need your forceps, discos or whatever. So all that come to £30.49 for the drop shot setup. That's not too bad, is it? So next video I'm going to hit the canal, I'm going to give it a pop, I'm going to re-rig these, I'm going to do this stupid end with them beads. I don't like them beads. You just need it to stay free to that. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. TEMU special drop shot shotting fishing.